The story of letter C. Once, the letter C was sitting on a couch, watching TV. Mama C was cooking something in the kitchen. Baby C was busy watching cartoons, where a crocodile was eating cookies. C said, "Cookies seem delicious." Then a cat named Cece and a cow named Cinderella were playing cricket. C was enjoying their game when Mommy called, "Letter C, please come to the kitchen." Baby C said, "No, Mommy, you can come out." Mommy said, "Please come here." When Baby C came to the kitchen, he saw a table with cake and candles. Baby C said, "Mommy, is this for me?" "What a surprise, Mom!" Mommy said, "Yes, I baked it for you, my dear." Baby C said, "I love you, Mommy." Mommy said, "I love you more."